Hello friends, hope you all will be doing well. My name is Mohammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia and correct TS law set 2023 with rank 1. Welcoming you all in my new video that is related to important GK. That is very important from the point of view of TS law set and AP law set. So without wasting time, we are gonna start to discuss the questions that is related to GK. So the first question that is related to modern history. One second. That is related to modern history. So the first question is uh, Khalsa was founded by. Its right answer is A. Khalsa was founded by Guru Gobind Singh. Question number two. Which was the birthplace of Guru Nanak? Its right answer is D. Talwandi. Question number three. Which Governor General is associated with doctrine of lapse? Uh, its right answer is B. Lord Dalhousie. Question number four. In which of the following years the Battle of Buxar was fought? Its right answer is A. 1764. Question number five. Which of the following places was famous as capital of Tipu Sultan? Its right answer is A. Srirangpatnam. Question number 6. Tipu Sultan died fighting the English force under. Its right answer is B. Lord Wellesley. Question number 7. Consider the following statements. The Sikh leader Banda Bahadur was captured and killed during the reign of Emperor Farooq Siar. The Maratha fought with Ahmad Shah Abdali at Panipat during the reign of Emperor Shah Alam II. Which of the above statement is or are correct? Its right answer is C. Both statements, both one and uh, second, first and second is correct. So the right answer is C. Question number 8. Assertion. The state of Hyderabad was founded by Nizamul Mulk, a wazir of Mughal emperor. Reason. The Mughal emperor frustrated all the attempts of Nizamul Mulk at reforming the administration of the empire. Uh, its right answer is A. Both A and R is true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 9. Who was the first Indian native ruler to accept the system of subsidiary alliance? Its right answer is B. Nizam of Hyderabad. Question number 10. Who among the following was the first Governor General of Bengal? Its right answer is D. Warren Hastings. Question number 11. By which one of the following acts did the Governor General of Bengal become the Governor General of India? Its right answer is D. The Charter Act of 1833. Question number 12. Who of the following compiled Adi Grantha or Guru Granth Sahib? Its right answer is D. Guru Arjan Dev. Question number 13. The first Governor General of India was appointed in. Its right answer is B. 1833. Question number 14. The dual government recommended by Lord Clive provided that the. Its right answer is A. That the criminal justice would be left to the Nawabi officials while civil and fiscal matters would be controlled by the company. So the right answer is A. Question number 15. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? Its right answer is A. 1757. Question number 16. First decisive military success of English East India Company in India is marked by. Its right answer is B. Battle of Plassey. Question number 17. Which Sikh Guru assumed the title Sacha Padshah? Its right answer is B. Guru Tegh Bahadur. Question number 18. The first Governor General of India was. Its right answer is C. Lord William Bentinck. Question number 19. The Guru Mukhi script was introduced by. Its right answer is C. Guru Angad. Question number 20. Consider the statement. Robert Clive was the first Governor General of Bengal. Second is William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Its right answer is B. Only second statement is correct. That is William Bentinck was the first Governor General of India. So the right answer is B. Question number 21. What was the first cotton mill in India established? It will be where? Where was the first cotton mill in India established? Its right answer is B. Mumbai. So the question number 21's right answer is B. Mumbai. Question number 22. Where is the oldest trade union organization? Which is the oldest trade union organization in India? Its right answer is C. All India Trade Union Congress. Question number 23. Indian Factory Act was promulgated in. Its right answer is B. 1881. Question number 24. The British introduced the railway in India in order to. Its right answer is B. In order to facilitate British commerce and administrative control. Question number 25. During the colonial rule in India, the permanent settlement was introduced by. Its right answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. Question number 26. The first railway line in India was opened in the year. Its right answer is B. 1853. Question number 27. The main grievance of the peasants in the Champaran Satyagraha 1917 was regarding the. Its right answer is D. Tinakhtiya system. Question number 28. Under which of the following systems the British government collected revenue directly from the farmers? Its right answer is B. Rutavari systems. Question number 29. Who among the following has started the Public Works Department in India in 1848? Its right answer is A. Lord William Bentinck. Question number 30. First railway line were laid down in India under which British governor? Its right answer is A. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 31. Who is the exponent of the theory of economic drain of India during the British rule? Its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 32. The English introduced Ryotwari system in. Its right answer is D. Madras and Bombay Presidency. Question number 33. Who authored the book Poverty and un-British rule in India? Its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 34. Who is credited with the introduction of permanent settlement in Bengal and Bihar? Its right answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. Question number 35. In India, the first bank of limited liability managed by Indians and founded in 1881 was. Its right answer is D. Awadh Commercial Bank. Question number 36. The Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College of Aligarh was founded by. Its right answer is D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 37. The Arya Samaj was founded by. Its right answer is A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 38. When was the All India Women's Conference founded? Its right answer is D. 1927. Question number 39. The original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati was. Its right answer is A. Moola Sankar. Question number 40. Who among the following set up the Amitya Sabha in Calcutta in the first half of the 19th century? Its right answer is B. Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 41. During the colonial period of India, the Asiatic Society of Bengal was founded. Its right answer is A. For carrying on research into the past history and antiquities of India. Question number 42. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Its right answer is C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 43. Who among the following was the founder of the Servants of India Society? Its right answer is C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 44. Sati was declared illegal and punishable by the Regulation 17th during the Governor Generalship of. Its right answer is B. Lord Canning. Question number 45. Raja Ram Mohan Roy established Brahmo Samaj in. Its right answer is C. 1840, 1828. Question number 46. Satyarth Prakash was written by. It is a book that is written by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 47. Who among the following founded the Theosophical Society in India in 1879? Its right answer is A. Madame Blavatsky and H.S. Olcott. Question number 48. Amongst the following, who cooperated with the Raja Ram Mohan Roy in the implementation of his educational program? Its right answer is B. David Hare. Question number 49. After the death of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the Brahmo Samaj split into two sections, the Brahmo Samaj of India and the Adi Brahmo Samaj. Who were the leaders of the two sections respectively? Its right answer is A. Kesav Chandra Sen and Devendranath Tagore. Question number 50. Who was the founder of Ram Krishna Mission? Its right answer is A. Swami Vivekanand. Question number 51. Who among the following is known as Martin Luther of India? Its right answer is A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 52. Lord Macaulay is associated with. Its right answer is C. English education. Question number 53. Which Governor General has abolished slavery? Its right answer is C. Lord Ellenborough. Question number 54. In which year did Swami Vivekanand participate the World Parliament of Religions at Chicago? Its right answer is A. 1893. Question number 55. The Scientific Society was founded by. Its right answer is C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 56. Who among the following Mughal kings had sent Raja Ram Mohan Roy as his envoy to London? Its right answer is C. Akbar II. Question number 57. Read the following statement carefully. Brahmo Samaj supported monotheism. Arya Samaj contributed for the development of education. Swami Vivekanand founded Ramakrishna Mission. Answer on the basis of the following quotes. Its right answer is A. First, second, and third are true. Question number 58. Who was the founder of Prarthana Samaj? Its right answer is C. Atmaram Durung. Question number 59. Who is known as the father of modern India? Who is known as the father of India? Its right answer is A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 60. Consider the following statement. A school at Calcutta with the main aim of encouraging Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar founded the Bethune Education for Women. Second one is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was the first graduate of the Calcutta University. The third is Keshav Chandra Sen's campaign against sati led to the enactment of a law to ban the sati by the then Governor General. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Its right answer is B. Only first and second. Only first and second are true. So uh, the right answer of question number 60 is B. Question number 61. Who among the following started the newspaper Som Prakash? Its right answer is B. Ishwar Chandra Vidya Sagar. Question number 62. Which of the following statements is or are correct regarding Brahmo Samaj? Its right answer is B. So the the first and second statement regarding Brahmo Samaj is correct. So the right answer is B. Question number 63. The Kuka movement started in mid 19th century in. Its right answer is A. Western Punjab. Question number 64. Who among the following were the leaders of the Indigo Revolt? Its right answer is A. Digambar Viswas and Vishnu Viswas. Question number 65. Who wrote the famous drama Nil Darpan, which depicted the agony of the indigo cultivators and brutality of the planters? Its right answer is B. Dinbandhu Mitra. Question number 66. Indian Factory Act was promulgated in. Its right answer is B. 1881. Question number 67. The first All India Trade Union Congress was founded in 1920 by. Its right answer is A. N.M. Joshi. Question number 68. Birsa Munda was in favor of. Its right answer is D. Mundaraj. Question number 69. Kuka movement was organized by. Its right answer is C. Guru Ram Singh. Its right answer is C. Guru Ram Singh. Question number 70. Mundas was rose revolt in. Mundas rose revolt in. Its right answer is D. 1899. Question number 71. Who presided over the first session of All India Kisan Sabha? Its right answer is A. Swami Sahajanand. Question number 72. Who was the leader of Champaran Indigo movement? Its right answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 73. Moplah revolt of 1921 took place in. Its right answer is C. Kerala. Question number 74. Where was the first All India Kisan Sabha formed? Its right answer is C. Lucknow. Question number 75. Santhal revolt 1855 to 56 was led by. Its right answer is C. Singrai. Question number 76. The All India Kisan Sabha was formed in. Its right answer is B. 1936. Question number 77. Gandhiji's Champaran movement was for. Its right answer is D. Solving the problem of indigo workers. Question number 78. Who founded All India Harijan Sevak Sangh? Its right answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 79. The first Indian Factory Act 1881 was passed by. Its right answer is D. Lord Ripon. Question number 80. The leader of Bardoli Satyagraha was. Its right answer is A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 81. Who of the following founded Ahmedabad Textile Labor Association? Its right answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 82. Consider the following statement. Dr. Rajendra Prasad persuaded Mahatma Gandhi to come to Champaran to investigate the problem of peasants. Acharya J.B. Kripalani was of the Mahatma Gandhi's colleague in his Champaran Satyagraha. Which of the following was statement given above is or are correct? Its right answer is B. So the right answer of question number 82 is B. That is only second. The statement is given above is correct. Question number 83. The founder president of All India Kisan Sabha was. Its right answer is B. Sahajanand Saraswati. Question number 84. Damini Co. Damini Co. was created by the British government to settle which one of the following communities? Its right answer is A. Santhals. Question number 85. The first Governor General and Viceroy of British India was. Its right answer is D. Lord Canning. Question number 86. During India's freedom struggle, the Sepoy Mutiny started from which one of the following places? Its right answer is D. Meerut. Question number 87. Mangal Pandey fired the first shot of the revolt of 1857 at. It is A, B, C, and D. So the right answer of question number 87 is A. Bairakpur. Question number 88. One of India's first freedom fighter against British is. Its right answer is C. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Question number 89. The Sepoy Mutiny took place in the year. Its right answer is D. 1857. Question number 90. Who is the author of the book The Last Mughal, The Fall of a Dynasty? Delhi, The Fall of a Dynasty, Delhi 1857. 1857. Its right answer is B. William Dalrymple. Question number 91. The revolt of 1857 was witnessed by the poet. Its right answer is C. Ghalib. Question number 92. When did Queen Victoria declare the taking over of Indian administration under British Crown? Its right answer is A. 1st November 1858. Question number 93. India War of Independence 1857 is written by. Its right answer is C. B.D. Savarkar. Question number 94. The birthplace of Maharani Lakshmi Bai, the heroine of 1857 freedom struggle is. Its right answer is C. Varanasi. Question number 95. The modern historian who called the revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence was. Its right answer is C. B.D. Savarkar. Question number 96. Who was the Governor General of India during the Sepoy Mutiny? Its right answer is A. Lord Canning. Question number 97. Who among the following was known during the days of the revolt of 1857 as Danka Shah? Its right answer is B. Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah. Question number 98. According to Dada Sahab, Dada Bhai Nauroji, Swaraj meant. Its right answer is B. Self-governance. Question number 99. Which book was written by Dada Bhai Nauroji on Indian poverty and economy under British rule? It is A, B, C, and D. So the right answer is C. Poverty and un-British rule in India. Question number 100. The partition of Bengal 1905 was annulled by the. Its right answer is C. Proclamation of Delhi Darbar in 1911. Question number 101. Who of the following founded the East India Association? Uh, its right answer is 1 second. Its right answer is B. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 102. Consider the following statement. First is the Indian National Congress was founded during the viceroyalty of Lord Dufferin. Second statement is the first president of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee. The third one is the first session of Indian National Congress was held in Calcutta. The fourth one is in the first session of the Indian National Congress, some government officials were also present. So which of the following statements given above are correct? So its right answer is B. So the first, second, and fourth statement above given are correct. So the right answer is B. Question number 103. At which Congress session did Dada Bhai Nauroji announced that was the that Swaraj was the goal of India's political efforts? Its right answer is D. 1906 Calcutta session. Question number 104. Who among the following was thrice elected president of Indian National Congress? Its right answer is A. Dada Bhai Nauroji. Question number 105. The correct chronological order of the following organization is Bombay Association, Madras, Mahajan Sabha, Indian Association, Indian League. Its right answer is C. 3 2 3 4 2 1 3 4 2 1. Question number 106. Who was the first? Oh, 1 second. 106. Who of the following was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Its right answer is A. Badruddin Tayyibji. Question number 107. Where was the first session of Indian National Congress held? Its right answer is B. Bombay. Question number 108. Indian National Congress was founded by. Its right answer is C. Alone Octavian Hume. Question number 109. Who was the founder of the Indian Association? Its right answer is C. D. Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 110. The partition of Bengal came into effect on. Its right answer is C. 15th of October 1905. Question number 111. Which of the following papers was essentially the mouthpiece of the policies of liberals? Its right answer is B. Leader. Question number 112. Who is the exponent of the theory of economic drain in India during the British rule? Uh, its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 113. The first Indian to contest an election to the British House of Commons was. Its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 114. The president of Indian National Congress in 1885 was. Its right answer is C. W.C. Banerjee. Question number 115. In which year the Indian National Congress was established? Its right answer is D. 1885. Question number 116. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of formation of the Indian National Congress? Its right answer is D. Dufferin. Question number 117. Who wanted Indian National Congress to be a safety valve? Its right answer is A. A.O. Hume. Question number 118. Who among the following rejected the title of knighthood and refused to accept a position in the Council of Secretary of State for India? Its right answer is C. J.K. Gokhale. Question number 119. Who was called Grand Old Man of India? Its right answer is A. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 120. The theme of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's famous novel Anand Math is based on. Its right answer is D. Sannyasi's Revolt. Question number 121. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad started an Urdu weekly, the Hilal, in 1912, but on its being banned by the government, he founded the Al Balagh in. Its right answer is A. 1913. Question number 122. Who who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Its right answer is D. Annie Besant. Question number 123. In which session of Indian National Congress did the एक second, Historic Union of Congress and Muslim League took take place? Its right answer is D. Lucknow. Question number 124. The split between the extremist and moderate came up in the open at the Surat Congress session in the year. Its right answer is C. 1907. Question number 125. All India Muslim League was formed at. Its right answer is D. Dhaka. Question number 126. With reference to the colonial role in India, consider the following events. Morley Minto Reforms Act, transfer of the capital from Calcutta to Delhi, First World War. The correct chronological order of these events. Its right answer is B. B. First, second, third, and fourth. Question number 127. Who was the founder editor of the famous newspaper Kesari during the national struggle? Its right answer is C. Lokmanya Tilak. Question number 128. Consider the following statement regarding the freedom movement. Congress was split into two factions as Surat session in its Surat session in 1907. Balangadhar Tilak revived the festival of Ganpati and Shivaji in Maharashtra to arouse a new spirit among the youth of the country. Aurobindo Ghosh was arrested in connection with Alipur bomb case. Which of the following statements is our correct? Its right answer is D. First, second, and third statement are correct. So the right answer is D. Question number 129. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Its right answer is D. Transfer of India's capital from Calcutta to Delhi, 1909. It is not correctly matched. So the right answer is D. Question number 130. Who among the following leaders dominated the Lucknow Pact in December 1960? Its right answer is B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 131. Who of the following was a founder of the Bharat Naujawan Sabha in 1926? Its right answer is B. Sardar Bhagat Singh. Question number 132. With reference to India's freedom struggle, which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the given events? Hmm, Its right answer is A. Partition of Bengal, Surat split of Congress, Lucknow Pact. Question number 133. Other than Annie Besant, who among the following also launched Home Rule movement in India? Its right answer is B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 134. Who of the following revolutionaries set up the United India House in the USA? Its right answer is B. Tarak Nath Das and G.D. Kumar. Question number 135. Which of the following leaders presided over the Congress session at Calcutta in 1906? Its right answer is D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 136. Which one of the following was not an extremist? Its right answer is D. Gopal Kris Gokhale. Question number 137. Who gave the Inqilab Zindabad slogan? Its right answer is C. Bhagat Singh. Question number 138. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it? Its right answer is D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 139. The Muslim deputation under the leadership of Aga Khan meets Lord Minto in 1906 at a Simla and plead for. Its right answer is A separate electorates for Muslims. Question number 140. Samji Krishna Verma established Indian Home Rule Society in. Its right answer is A. London. Question number 141. Who was the founder of All India Muslim League? Its right answer is D. Aga Khan. Oh, one second. C. It is not C. One second. So the question number 41. 141. Who was the founder of All India Muslim League? Its right answer is D. Nawab Salimullah Khan. Question number 142. In which year did Lord Hardinge cancel the partition of Bengal? Its right answer is A. 1911. Question number 143. In which of the following movements Bande Matram? It is Bande Matram. No, एक second. It is Bande Matram. In which of the following movements Bande Matram was adopted slogans for agitation? Its right answer is B. Partition of Bengal in 1905. Question number 144. Of the following, who was called the father of Indian unrest? Its right answer is C. Lokmanya Tilak. Question number 145. Sri Aurobindo Sri Aurobind Ashram is situated in. Its right answer is C. Rameswaram. Question number 146. Who among the following established a republican government in abroad? Its right answer is A. Raja Mahendra Pratap. Question number 147. Who had founded the Anusilan Samiti? Its right answer is A. Param, Paramath Nath Mitra. Question number 148. When did the partition of Bengal take place? Its right answer is B. 1905. Question number 149. Two home rule league were started in 1950, 15, 16 under the leadership of. Its right answer is A. Tilak and Annie Besant. Question number 150. The Gadar movement was founded by. Its right answer is C. Lala Hardayal. So, friends, the remaining 115 questions, 50 questions, we will discuss in next video. That is very important from the point view of TS Losset. So, thank you for this. We will discuss. So, we will discuss more in next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.